This innovative approach to enhancing the taste and texture of plant-based cuisine is remarkably successful. We achieve this by utilizing vacuum chambers along with bags to regulate the pressure, which enables us to effortlessly disintegrate the cell walls of the ingredients and eliminate air. Consequently, flavor enhancers are rapidly and effectively absorbed, resulting in a truly delightful gastronomic experience. This technique eliminates the need for cooking while significantly elevating the food's flavor profile.